If you want a simple way to save tokens, the new Caveman skill that has become so popular in the last days, it's working wonderful for this. So, with over 7,000 stars in just a couple of days from its release, it now has begun, and it's one of the best ways in which you can just make AIs, especially Claude Code or Codex, more efficient. In the simple ways, what this does is it cuts off the output tokens while keeping full technical accuracy. So if you want just to see a quick model, you can look at the following. Instead of Claude just talking gibberish all over the place and wasting both your time, your money and your tokens, it will just use the simple prompt like new object, each render, inline, use memo, and that's it. I even like it to talk like this so much because it's not just I have to read and interpret all of this text that sometimes tends to be over explaining normal stuff, but it actually lets me focus on what is actually happening, what Claude is implementing, and what Claude or Codex is trying to give me feedback on. So another example with a caveman, you can just see bug in auth middleware, token expiry, the fix XYZ, and that's it. And if you would like to just have some really nice actual settings over this, you can choose the light one, the full or the ultra. And I myself like to keep it on ultra as of the latest changes because tokens are burning like crazy, especially in Codex in the business plan, which I've been using so much because it was the best way between the $20 and the $200 plan, right in between. With 2 seats it was the actual best, but as of right now I think I will switch to a couple of normal plus plans. And we can just see a couple of examples with a damn impressive overall 50% on average overall savings with all of those tokens. And I've seen that, as I said, one more important thing that this document is not saying, you save time. So let's get over how you can install it. And we'll just take the example for Codex. Since this is made for Claude, it's much more easier. But if you don't know how you can install this, you just have to copy this command, open up a terminal, paste this, and it will actually launch a pretty simple terminal. Then the install wizard, in which you just want to keep the caveman since we're talking in English. Install it for the project, proceed with the installation, and that would be it. After that, you can trigger it with Codex, for example, and just type in $ and caveman. And here you can just activate it as so in a pretty simple way. You can see Caveman Mode is on, you can ask anything, but if you want to add a little bit more to this, you can just have the little settings that I just showed you right here, the light, full or ultra. And to do this, you just say Caveman Ultra, and that would be it. You get a confirmation, Ultra Caveman on, ask anything, and you would see that it will just output the simplest thing. So let's just take this to medium for default and just ask a nice question like, what is this repo about? And this repo is just about nothing. We just have the simple skill with the actual caveman, and you can just see it goes over it, looking nothing else. So main thing, simple and concise, nothing really going on. That's what you want. So that would be it for the video. If you want to save tokens, remember the caveman skill, and I would just suggest you maybe even take some pieces from here and just input them into a Claude MD or Agents MD file so that you can have this as a persistent thing that is actually happening. I like to use it because it saves me time and it makes me focus a lot more on the actual output of the talk. See you in the next